So now let's go to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. So electrons don't follow classical physics. Thus, we can't precisely determine the location of an electron based on specific variables like time. So this expression is called the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, and it just states that we cannot measure position and momentum with great precision simultaneously. So in simpler terms, if we know precisely where a particle is, we cannot know precisely how a particle is moving or where it is. In the subatomic world, things are fuzzy. So let's interpret this principle graphically through superposition. So wave packet, this is a wave packet, is created when a group of waves with different wavelengths, for example in this, we combine waves with different wavelengths. So smaller delta x indicates that an associated particle can be located with greater precision the more wavelengths that combine. But the more wavelengths there are, the more uncertain the final momentum is because the de Broglie relationship, this is the de Broglie relationship, assigns a different value to each wavelength. So, ibig sabihin lang, kasi sabi, ang equation sa de Broglie wavelength, h over p, which is equal to h over m multiplied to v. Kapag binago mo ang wavelength, magbabago din ang momentum because there is variation sa wavelengths na i-add natin. Thus, marami ding mga momentum, kumbaga, ang pinagsama-sama. Thus, we are uncertain of the momentum of that particle. But we can be more certain about the position of that particle. Because, again, sabi sa Heisenberg principle, that there must always be uncertainties in the momentum every time we locate any particle to within a distance x.